everybody, a lot of you guys have requested how I do my makeup in the morning. Sorry, I'm in my bathroom. It's going to be a little echoey. I don't have the greatest lighting in here, but I'm here to show you guys how I put my makeup on. I'm going to fast forward me applying my makeup, but I'll show you guys the products that I use. Today is St. Patrick's Day, so I'm wearing green, so I'm going to be wearing a green eyeshadow. How I usually put my makeup on, depending on what color I wear, and then I either do silver or black. Sometimes I mix it up by doing two of the same different colors. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but this is how I put my makeup on. So let's get started. The first thing I have, and I don't know if I will be fast forwarding this to you guys, but the first thing I have is, you can't see it, but I got this L'Oreal Revitalift. I got this free from Crowd Tap, I think, or I can't remember. So I just pump it, and I just put it all over my face. I've been putting moisturizer on my face for the last couple weeks. I do it sometimes, but I suck at it, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm at that age. I'm in my mid-30s. I'm at that age where I need to start putting stuff on. Now, you guys might get mad at me on how I put my makeup on, because I don't know, I don't care. But so I just put that all over my face, and we got that. So the next thing I do is I use my foundation, and I use the Sephora brand. The color I use is Clear Light. I'm like a pale color, and it's really hard to test out colors. I got my sponge brush. It's really hard to test out colors, and this is pretty much the end of this. That's awesome. I have another one. I just gotta go get it. But that's what I use because it fits my paleness, and then I just put it all over my face. So here we go. The next thing I got is my concealer. This is also Sephora. The color I got is Meringue. I like this. I like it how you can just like put it right on your eyes, and I just do that. So I'm just gonna rub that in. Okay, so we got that. My hair is coming out, so I'm just going to rewrap my head in the towel. Okay, so now the next thing I do is blush. Now, I've been using the same old stuff that I've had. I'm just trying to get through it. The kind that I'm using is Ulta. It's a Splendor and a bronzer. I really like this stuff, so this is what it looks like. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad on it, but we're just going to put it right on the cheeks. Now, everybody puts their makeup on differently. This is how I did it. I used to be a model when I was in high school, so I went to modeling school, and they showed you how to like put makeup on, but that was like 15 years ago. And then I always put blush right below my eyebrows just to add some color, and I add some to my chin and my nose. So we got that. The next thing I use is a pencil for my eyebrows. I kind of have like really light brown or blondish eyebrows, so I just kind of color those in. My eyebrows do need to be waxed, but sorry, there's kids coming in the door. So that's how I kind of just color my eyebrows in. And then I use my eyeliner. This is the Revlon. This is one that I get all the time for couponing, so I might have to get a little bit closer. Just give me a second. I kind of just put a lot on. I know it's weird, but half the time it rubs off. So, and then depending on what makeup I'm wearing, sometimes I put like a little bit on my up on my upper eye. So we got that. This is one thing I absolutely love. It's the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I have not found anything that I really like for primer. I probably could find a cheaper one, but I absolutely love this. And the way I wear my eyeshadow, I absolutely am in love with this. So I just put this just on my eye. And basically what it does is it holds the eyeshadow longer. Doesn't wipe off. And I've been using this stuff for years. I've been using this stuff before I even couponed. So there's that. And then since, like I said, today is St. Patrick's Day, I'm using 2 different colors. I'm going to be putting silver on, and I got to put a green on. I don't have a lot of green that I've couponed for, but I do have one that I got from Sephora. This is Maybelline. This is one of the silver ones. This is, I ripped the sticker off, but it's the silver one. Like I said, I'm sorry my lighting's not the greatest, but that's what it is. And I dropped my thing. So what I use is I just use these. Sometimes I use a one of those little brushes, but with something like this, I just do it. And what I do is I do the inner eye, and I just do about all the way to the corner of my eye to the center. So as you guys can see, just to the corner of my eye to the center. So as you guys can see, I don't have it on my outside of my eye. So now I have some really old makeup. I'm like frugal when it comes to throwing makeup away. I don't know why. But I got Sephora. I've had this for a long time. Like, this is before I even went coupon. You guys can see it's like super dirty, well used. You can't even tell what the colors on it are. And I've used it like crazy. I just don't want to throw it away because there's some colors that I haven't used yet. So in here they got a green. So I just got my little thing. And I do change these out a bit. I buy these from the Dollar Tree and I switch them out when they get really bad. But I'm just going to do the other side of my eye to make it pop. And I get so many people that stop me and say they love my eyes. Like, I am not afraid to go bold. I got makeup in the corner of my eye. I'm not afraid to go bold. Like, I'm a person who wears bright colors. When I used to design kitchens, I used to wear bright colors all the time, like pinks and purples. So I would wear like bold colors, and people are like, wow. And I'm just like, it's just makeup. It's just makeup. So there, I got that. Now this would be something I'd probably put a little bit of black eyeliner on. And then if you want to, oh, I forgot to put this on. I also use this. I just kind of just brush this on my face, but we're just gonna put a little bit on. It's kind of a little too late, but just to kind of get the shine away. But then sometimes I will use like a different color. I don't know what color to use right now. I got a drawer full of makeup. So sometimes I just like put stuff, a little bit of a different color right on my eyelid or underneath my eyebrow. So this is the mascara I use. I love this mascara. I've been using this mascara since I found it, since I got it for free for couponing. So I just do my eyebrow, or my eyebrows, my eyelashes. This is kind of running low, so I gotta get a new one. But I just repeat this. This is one thing I just repeat and repeat and repeat. And I have long eyelashes, so yeah, this is running really low. I thought I had another one up here, but I may have used it. So, yeah. You might hear a lot of background noise because we have quite a few people coming over and I'm just running late. I'm getting dressed, but I wanted to show you guys this video. Herd of elephants are coming up the stairs. Okay, so that's how I do my makeup. Now, I think it's pretty done. And then I just started recently using this Ulta Beauty, and this is Dewy. It's makeup setting spray. What you do is you just close your eyes, and I kind of let my mascara dry a little bit because then I don't want it to go on my eyes, but I just spray it. There's 2 different kinds. This one was the coconut one and the other one was like cucumbers, but I like this. I mean, it keeps my makeup on nice. So we got that, and now I am doing my hair. A lot of you guys love how I have my hair. So I got my hairbrush from free. I got it back when I used to do Ipsy, and I can't remember the other one, but my hair's in knots all the time. All the time. It's just crazy. So I kind of have like a permanent part in my hair. So I just kind of just comb it, and then I just look for that part, and voila, there's how I part my hair. Yeah, it's in just knots all the time. It's just crazy in knots, but it doesn't bother me. I have thick hair. So the thing I use for my hair is this herbal essence. I shake it up. I've been using this for years. I swear, I think I've been using it for at least 8 years, maybe even longer than that. I mean, I'm gonna be sad when they discontinue it. But what I do is I split it in half, and then I kind of just comb it throughout my hair. And then what I do is I just get it all messed up. Yeah, I crunch it. And usually I have more hair on my left side than on my right, but I still even it up. So that is how I do my hair. And then I've been using this product lately because my hair gets frizzy sometimes, and I got this Schwarzkopf Got to Be Beach Trippin'. I don't think they make this anymore. I don't know if they replaced it, but you can use this. I think it's like a salt infused, but it kind of just helps my hair a little bit. So I got that, and then I've used all this discontinued stuff, and then I got Schwarzkopf hairspray. I like this hairspray. I've been trying to use this up so I can use something different, but I just kind of do the top of my hair because my hair gets super frizzy. But that is it. And then lately I use body spray like crazy. So I've been using this coconut mint drop that I got from Bath and Body Works. So I just spray it like crazy so I can smell like mint. But yeah, so that's easy. Usually it takes me, I do my makeup really fast. I kind of went slow today to show you guys, but that's how I do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos of me getting ready for the day or something like that, I can show you guys more videos or something like this. I just like to show you guys how I put my makeup on, how I do my hair, so maybe you guys can try a new technique. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys, you know, me getting ready in the morning so you guys can see what I look like without makeup on. But I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.